A very good evening to each one of you here, and almost all the faces are familiar to me. And first of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Sharmili Jain, the President, Rotary Royals. अभी काफ़ी चीज़ें समझ में आ रही है उसके बारे में. Good, this happened first. And the organizers, entire crew member of Rotary Royals, thank you very much for having me, and it's indeed my privilege and honor to be addressing you all, because after hearing to the motto of the Rotary, I feel I'm in the right place and I'm talking to the right people. Because जो भी आपने बताया उसका gist जो मुझे समझ में आया, the first thing I understood about the Rotarians is empathy and compassion. When you spoke about जब दूसरे के दर्द के वजह से आंसू आती है, it is no longer आंसू, it is मोती, is nothing but compassion and empathy. Thank you very much, and I feel totally honored to be addressing you all. And coming to the motto, one of the mottos you said, that profit the most who serve the most. I just hope that I will be the one who will be profiting the most today. Yeah, thanks. And one of those 4 questions, na? 4 square questions was, does it benefit the all concerned? So I think I will somewhere resonate with this. Yeah. So let's go ahead. So जब शर्मिली ने मुझे बुलाया कि we would like to have a talk in the club, and topic क्या होना चाहिए. So everybody has this notion, dietitian मतलब weight loss, right? So ये एक ऐसा है, all season, all time, everybody wants to know. चाहे जितना भी हम लोगों के पास ज्ञान हो, we all want to know. Then I was just asking her, what would be the age group of the members be? So she said mostly everybody after 35. So I said, then why don't we talk about menopause? And Sharmili was like, menopause यार सब लोग बहुत बोल चुके हैं उसके बारे में, कोई interested नहीं है. 50 plus, yeah. So and outrightly no menopause, menopause. Then I said, सुनो, there's a catch here. The most challenging thing पता है क्या है? Menopause के दौरान weight loss. Will people be interested? She said, हाँ, weight loss लगाएंगे तो definitely interested रहेंगे. So I said, I've always chosen the toughest thing. जैसे just to introduce, do I have your permission to introduce myself very briefly? Yeah? Thank you. Because a bit certain side of me, probably not all of you know. So I'm born and raised in Bangalore. I'm a pakka Bangalorean, Kannadiga, right? So I was destined to be here. I was born in Bangalore. I always say Allahabad is my karma bhumi, because this has given me another identity as a nutritionist. This was my soul calling. Yeah. So born and raised in Bangalore, education in Bangalore. I was very soon employed with Indian Council of Agriculture Research in Nainital. उसके बाद I got the dream of my post in Baba Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. I thought my life was set. What can I expect more than this? And when I quit my job, वो भी एक कहानी है, some other time मैं सुनाऊंगी आपको, because that gives a personal touch. So I was just married and had a child, and we were to decide कि कहाँ पे settle होना है. Then my parents-in-laws came to Mumbai. Somehow लगा कि वहाँ पे उनको मुंबई मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. So I told my husband, they don't feel comfortable here. Why don't we shift to Allahabad? Because my parents-in-laws have 3 children. My husband is a pediatrician, is a doctor. I said कि एक कोई बच्चा पेरेंट्स के पास रहेंगे तो everybody will be stress free, and you have an option कि आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे. Instead of practicing in Mumbai, you can practice in Allahabad. So that is how it was a game changer. The only stake or the major stake was I had to resign my job, because यहाँ पे कोई BRC का कोई branch तो यहाँ पे है नहीं. So that was a big gamble I took, and I resigned my job. I came to Allahabad, and for the first 2 years I was an exclusive homemaker. From something scientific officer to I came to zero. I was doing nothing. When I say nothing, I did a lot other things which I never did ever before. Being a homemaker is not easy. That is what I realized in 2 years. And 2 years of exclusively playing the role, I got the experience of that any woman would have for 20 years. I realized one thing, कि I learned the household very quickly. तो मुझे लगा, now my energy and time should go beyond the four walls of the house. जो मेरे अंदर energy थी, it was telling you are meant to do something more. I put my son into school and then I gave my entrance. I did my post-graduation in nutritional science from Allahabad University. Then another chapter opened because while I was doing my research work, again I told you, I always take up the toughest job. Clinical trial मैंने लिया था in my research work. So everybody said कि सबसे कम time तुम्हारे पास है and you have a family and your child, how are you going to manage this? I said, I don't know, this is what I want to do. So the research was on pregnancy induced hypertension के ऊपर था, where nutritional aspects से how can we bring down the risk of hypertension among pregnant women. ठीक है? So from there the journey started. As it started, it took off. There was no looking back because जो ट्रायल्स में मेरे स्टडी में जो पेशेंट्स थे उनको बहुत फ़ायदा होने लगा और सिटी के 5 जानी मानी गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट उनके पेशेंट्स मेरे अंडर थे एंड दे सॉ हाउ इज़ दिस पॉसिबल, सिर्फ डाइट से कैसे दवा बंद हो रही है. एंड दैट वाज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द गेम चेंजर इन इलाहाबाद, वेयर people or the doctors understood nutrition is the neglected part of medicine. And from there to where I am today, you're seeing, I've given about 14 years in Allahabad, marking as a nutritionist, and I'm globally treating people from Australia to Canada to South Africa. So now, why Allahabad is very dear to me is एक हाउसहोल्ड का, एक होममेकर का लाइफ क्या होता है, एक इंडियन सिनेरियो में एक औरत की लाइफ क्या होती है. दिस इज व्हाट Allahabad taught me. That is why it is very dear and I can relate to every woman that speaks to me. Yeah, we'll go ahead. So now, one thing for sure I can promise in our talk is by the end of the talk there will be a gift for you all. Is that interesting? Yeah? Yeah. So वो gift जो है is something that you will be giving to your kids. Is this all the more interesting? Yeah? आज आप लोगों को gift मिलेगा, that will be the biggest gift you will be giving to your children. So should we go ahead? So menopause we all are very scared of, something we don't want to talk about, है ना? थोड़ा बोरिंग सब्जेक्ट लगता है, कुछ खत्म सा हो रहा है. या डू वी ऑल फील दैट? सो ओके, सो विच मीन्स पॉज नो मोर एंड होलिस्टिक अप्रोच टुवर्ड्स वेट लॉस इन मेनोपॉज. व्हाई डू वी ब्रिंग वेट लॉस इन द एट द सेंटर? देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड इट. सो व्हाट इज मेनोपॉज? ये तो सबको पता है, प्रैक्टिकली मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. Simple language में hormonal लोचा is what the Bollywood dialect is. So reduction of female hormones, progesterone and estrogen. Majorly estrogen जब dip करता है तो there is a lot of chaos that it gives. So सिर्फ ये 2 हार्मोन्स का खेल है. ये कम हो जाता है तो क्या क्या changes आते हैं बॉडी में and how are we going to take care of it? So the first and the foremost concern for every woman that is going through menopause or have hit the menopause is the bone health. Bone health में क्या है? 2 situations, osteopenia, osteoporosis. Osteopenia is अभी osteoporosis के पहले का situation है osteopenia, where your bone mineralization, आपके bone कमजोर होना शुरू हो रहा है. Osteoporosis is a step ahead, bone demineralization हो चुकी है. Now you are at risk of fractures. You must have seen lot of women, commonly ankle fracture, hip bone fracture or wrist fracture are the commonest one. Why? The main reason being osteoporosis. Now, ये osteoporosis कब हमको we have to address is even before the menopause sets in. But what if it is already set in? Is there hope? Yes, there is a lot of hope. One, there are medication and injections where we can arrest the osteoporosis, but that is only the arrest. Maintain कैसे करेंगे is through your diet. डाइट में विटामिन डी रिच फूड आपको लेना है, एज इट इज सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी. यू कैन सी अ फ्यू पिक्चर्स देयर फॉर वेजिटेरियंस. यू कैन स्टिक टू मशरूम्स. फॉर नॉन वेजिटेरियंस ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज लीन मीट एंड फिश एंड एग्स विथ yolk. Above all, expose yourself to sunlight for at least 15 minutes before 11 a.m. Yeah? Calcium, as we know, is बोन बोलते ही सबके दिमाग में पहले कैल्शियम ही आता है, राइट? कैल्शियम इज द मेन कंपोनेंट इन द बोन मिनरलाइजेशन. विटामिन डी एड्स टू इट. ये दोनों के ऑब्जॉर्प्शन बॉडी में अच्छा रहने के लिए आपको चाहिए मैग्नीशियम. दैट्स द रीजन मैग्नीशियम रिच फूड आपको लेना है, या यू शुड एटलीस्ट कंसिडर मैग्नीशियम सप्लीमेंट्स इफ एट ऑल यू आर टेकिंग कैल्शियम. Vitamin K2 and omega-3. Among the latest research, these two minerals and omega-3 fatty acids are known to support the bone health and reduce the further deterioration of bone health, right? ये तो हो गया डाइट के बारे में. A lot of us, if at all we are not taking supplementation, we must consider and do ask your clinicians, do ask your gynecologist or your physician to give this. सबसे ज़रूरी ये है कि एक्सरसाइज. मोस्ट ऑफ अस वेट लॉस के लिए सोचते हैं कार्डियो करते हैं या बहुत कम खाना खाते हैं. दैट इज नॉट वॉट इज रिक्वायर्ड. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली what is required for your bone health at this point of time is your weight bearing exercises या फिर resistance exercise जिसको हम बोलते हैं. क्योंकि ये वेट बेयरिंग एक्सरसाइज की वजह से कैन यू सी ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट एंड ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट. ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट का मतलब ये है योर बोन डीमिनरलाइजेशन, उसको कमजोर कर रहा है दीज सेल्स. ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट आर द वंस व्हिच विल प्रमोट द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द बोन. सो ये रेजिस्टेंस एक्सरसाइज विल प्रमोट ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट and that is how you take care of your bone health. The second risk is cardiovascular disease. You will see कि 10 साल पहले तो यही खाना खाते थे, सेम एक्सरसाइज करते थे, पर पता नहीं अचानक वेट बढ़ रहा है, कोलेस्ट्रॉल हाई आ गया, मैं तो कोई डाइटरी चेंज नहीं करी, पता नहीं क्यों हो रहा है. So this is all post menopause again because of lack of estrogen in your body. आपका जो फैटी एसिड है वो एक्यूमुलेट होता जाता है. सो सबसे पहला साइन मोस्टली यू विल सी योर LDL इज गोइंग अप या ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स गोइंग अप या VLDL गोइंग अप, राइट? साथ साथ यू विल सी रेज्ड इन द ब्लड प्रेशर. ब्लड प्रेशर इज अगेन कॉमन थिंग. ये दोनों है तो द रिस्क ऑफ हार्ट अटैक एंड स्ट्रोक्स आर वेरी वेरी हाई. सो हाउ डू यू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट? सो नंबर 1, सबसे पहले तो कम फैट खाना चाहिए एज कंपेयर टू वॉट यू आर टेकिंग 10 years बैक. क्योंकि 1, ईस्ट्रोजन की वजह से आपका फैट मेटाबॉलिज्म में फर्क आ रहा है. सेकेंडली 10 years बिफोर आपका मेटाबॉलिक रेट एटलीस्ट 12 to 13% हाई था, अब उतना कम हो गया. सो दैट इज द रीजन यू गेन वेट क्विकली. So nothing to blame, but there is a way to manage all of these things. Now include more fiber in your diet. When you see fiber, if most of you have taken my diet, if you see har jagah pe I put salads, right? With every meal I say do take salads. That is one way of including fiber in your diet. This is your organic, naturally available statins, which reduces your cholesterol. देन उसके अलावा कोई भी न्यूट्रिएंट आपके बॉडी में अब्जॉर्ब होने के लिए अच्छी प्रोटीन की ज़रूरत होती है. इफ़ यू लुक एट द बॉटम, इट इज़ P stands for प्रोटीन, C is for कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम रिच फूड लेना है एंड omega-3 फैटी एसिड्स. व्हाई कैल्शियम रिच फूड? इट ब्रिंग्स डाउन योर हाई ब्लड प्रेशर. ब्लड प्रेशर के लिए कैल्शियम रिच फूड इज बेनिफिशियल एंड omega-3 फैटी एसिड रिच फूड एंड देन फाइबर एज वी जस्ट डिस्कस्ड.